Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to speak English confidently and have fun while learning? Today we are going to share some super easy tips to help you improve your English skills. Whether it's reading, writing or speaking, these tips will make learning English exciting and simple. So let's get started on this amazing journey to becoming an English expert. First step is start with small words. Begin with simple words like cat, dog and ball. Practice speaking these words every day. Use them in sentences like I see a cat or this is my ball. Second step is learn new words every day. Pick 2 or 3 new English words daily. Write them down and learn their meanings. Practice using them in your own sentences. Next step is practice speaking. Talk in English with your family or friends. Don't worry if you make mistakes, it's part of learning. Speak slowly and clearly. Next step is watch and listen. Watch English cartoons or kids shows. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Repeat the words and sentences you hear. Next step is read books and stories. Read storybooks or picture books in English. Try reading out loud to improve your pronunciation. Learn how to pronounce new words from the stories. Next step is play word games. Play games like Scrabble, Hangman or crosswords. These games make learning new words fun. Next step is practice writing. Write simple sentences in a notebook. Start with my name is or I like. Practice writing small paragraphs as you improve. Next step is ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask your teacher or parents. Remember, asking questions helps you learn faster. Next step is be consistent. Practice English every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Regular practice makes learning easier and fun. And the last step is celebrate your progress. Clap for yourself when you learn a new word or sentence. Share your achievements with your family and friends. Keep practicing kids. English is fun and you can do it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share our channel for learning more videos.